Welcome everybody. Welcome to Proficiency Bonus. My name is Michael. This is the second video that I like to call Proficient with DM Tools. This one's going to be a second video to go with the dynamic lighting video that I started with. This time I'm going to show you how we can add some doorways into our dynamic lighting and how we can do that using the Roll20 application. So I'm going to go ahead and dive right in and start with where we were last time in our video, where we were showing this adventurer coming down the hallway. And one thing I wanted to start out by saying is right now, as the DM, you're going to see that out here on the outsides, even outside your dynamic lighting, you could still see that. I just want to reassure you that your players are not going to be able to see that. As the DM, you can see kind of a basis of where their line of sight and where their lighting is going. But if you wanted to get a test of that, what you can do is you can click on the PC or the token of the PC. You can hold Control and press L. And what that will do is that will give you a better idea of what the players are going to see as they're moving their characters around. They will see pitch black outside of the dynamic lighting and outside of their light source. If you just click anywhere on the map, you can exit out of that little test of the lighting. So I just wanted to reassure you that is the player characters are not going to be able to see all of this area around where your light source is and where your dynamic lighting is set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my dynamic lighting layer, and since the last video I've added a little bit more to my walls. But I've got these two doorways here, and I wanted to show you how I go ahead and put doorways in. I keep it really simple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my zoom tool here, and I'm going to zoom in, which is this little toolbar in the top right hand corner. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I can see my two doorways here that I want to put the door in. So I'm going to go back to my polygon line tool. This time I'm going to change the color to this neon blue. I'm also going to change the size and the thickness of this line to large, just so it stands out and it's easier to click on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to overlap my green line a bit, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to bring it down, and I'm going to click again. I'm going to click the select tool there. I'm going to go back to my polygon. It's still set at blue and large. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click. I'm going to move over. I'm overlapping a bit, and I click. And then to test it out, I'm going to go back to my objects and tokens. I'm going to click on my adventurer and bring them into this room. And the lighting should not go through those doorways. Now I'm the DM, so I can have my this token go through there because it's not representing a player character right now. It's just a test character. What I can also do is to check and see if this door works. It's blocking the light, so that's what I wanted it to do. But if the player character comes over, let's say this door isn't locked, and they come over and they want to open this doorway, it's easy to open. All you can do is you can select this line and you can pull it off. And you can see as soon as I pulled it off, the light from the torch started to go back into the room. Or if you're like me and you just don't want to hassle with it, I usually just click on the line. I just press the delete key, and the line will disappear. You can go back to your objects and tokens layer, and you can have your player character move into the room. So that's an easy way that you can go about putting doors into your dungeons using the dynamic lighting layer in Roll20. If you have any questions, or if you have any comments or anything, or if you have any other ideas, please make sure to post a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I just want to keep these short. I want to keep them sweet. I want to keep them simple, so that they're easy to watch and they're easy to remember and they're easy to utilize for all of you out there. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. It's at ProfBonus, PROFBONUS. I'm always posting when we put new videos from our Tuesday night sessions up on this YouTube channel. So I hope that you will go and enjoy listening in on some of the adventures that we have there. So I hope this was helpful, and I just want to encourage you to enjoy and adventure on. We'll see you next time.